originally, so we got upgraded. They upgraded us. Whoop whoop. We actually got upgraded from an aqua class balcony suite to a, what is it, a sky suite?
Sky suite.
So when I say this is our first time ever being in a suite on Celebrity, that is. We have been in suites on MSC, but no other ship have we been a suite. So let's see how sweet it's going to be. So let's see. So we're kind of nestled here in the corner.
Keep your key to your home away from home. Oh my.
There's a little nookie here. A nookie new with a concierge right here. Let's see. Oh, and we have the doorbell.
We got the doorbell.
Oh
Listen
my
to the
God.
notes. Deary,
Oh
deary me.
my.
Oh,
Oh my, oh my, oh my. This was an upgrade.
I like this room.
Oh my. My, oh my, oh my.
In this room. That's how big it is.
I actually do a tumble in this room.
I can do the Wonder Woman spin. Hello, hello. This is Rock the Boat again coming at you from Celebrity Reflection, room 2155. Starting out the balcony for once because it's hot and I want to get it out of the way. So it's a pretty decent sized balcony. Look. But yes, you go from over here all the way around to here. We were on a large balcony before, but this is like second as far as a large balcony.
I would say this one's really wide.
We have a table with a chair with two more chairs. You actually have a group right here. It's like this is where we do breakfast, and then we sit in the living room right.
That goes up here, I think.
Yes, it does recline.
So the headrest should be up there. So shame it's only got one reclining lounger though. So
only one of you can be comfortable
so
at a time. But this is a pretty decent sized balcony. I like it. High enough so if you got little ones, you don't got to worry about them going ahead and
it's got the glass.
flip it over the side.
The glass for safety, unless they're very adventurous. Like now, we're gonna go into the stateroom. I believe these ones, the air doesn't stay on. Please keep
closed. It conserves energy.
Yes, so close it up.
Yes. Shake
You have the mesh.
The mesh, and you also have blackout curtains right here. The sofa, pretty large sofa. I believe it comes out into a sofa bed, but I'm not sure. Somebody could actually sleep on here. A relatively tall person could sleep on here.
But we've got a really big table here in the middle.
Nice chair right here. Chair's heavy.
Yeah, and
let's see. Oh yeah.
So that's comfy chair there. Carry on.
If you get one of these suites, they come with a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon with compliments from the hotel director with two glasses. Ding. Here's your counter space. This is a very large counter space. So if you had a lot of stuff to pull out, you can put it up over here. Down here you have your drawer space, your mini bar with sodas and water.
Sparkling and regular.
Which they apparently will fill up throughout the trip. It's complimentary. Or according to the form, you have two more drawers. Decent sized TV. Say about a 42-inch, I think. Very nice. You have shelf space. You have. I was going to say storage space.
Well, I guess it could be storage space.
Could be storage space up here.
You got plates and stuff up there. I don't know if they give you canopies in
possibly
the afternoon.
Shampoo.
We're gonna see if we get like little treats in the afternoon in this room.
And here is the secondary counter space, along with two American plugs. No USBs. They updated it, but they didn't update it that much. They're working on it. We have drawers over here, very large sized drawers over here. All of those
Very
drawers are
deep.
really deep. Really deep. You
Yeah,
fit a
you
small
can.
child. No. Very large. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. You have your vanity mirror, lighted. One thing I will note is the bed is over here. The TV is over here.
Does it swivel?
Oh, okay. It does swivel.
So the TV does come out and swivel, which is nice if you want to watch TV in bed.
Now, I would say, I would bet you that some of these are positioned the other way, so the bed is across from the TV.
Yes.
But in this one, it is not.
Okay.
So you got to go ahead and move it around. Oh, got a nice chair here for, you can sit down. I'm gonna let you go over those because I'm bad at paperwork.
Okay, and over here it says in-suite dining and afternoon and evenings, and these are what the dailies are. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you've got in-suite breakfast in the mornings, along with the beverage choices. And this is the times up there at the top here, and I think you just
Pre-order deliver.
give it to your butler. And this is
We're
information
on a retreat
about the retreat.
where we have access to Lumine at the retreat and Michael's Club, which we will show later.
And this is
Amenities that come with your suite: Michael's Club, Lumine, food and drink, unlimited premium drink package, complimentary mini bar stocked with soda and beer on embarkation day, and water restocked daily.
I don't think you get beer and stuff stocked in the fridge daily. I think it's just waters.
Yeah.
It sounds like it's just waters, but we're gonna find out for
Full
you.
and sweet breakfast, lunch, dinner service, and daily delights. Afternoon tea event hosted inside of Michael's Club, along with a variety of services like dedicated butler service, butler chat, destination experience specialist, suite to car escort to buy your butler on private journey excursions. Premium bath and body products, which we will check out in a second. Priority departure and embarkation, tendering, reserve seating for theater, complimentary beach towel service, shoe sign service, and use of umbrella and binoculars. It also includes the premium Wi-Fi package, premium Celebrity king size mattress, and a premium cotton bath towels, and a pillow menu. Ooh.
So these are, I guess, the hours of Michael's Club, and the concierge desk is open from 7 to 8:30 p.m. That doesn't seem, well, I guess it's most of the day. Lumine, the restaurant that if you want to go sit down, is saying breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Starts at 7:30 for breakfast till 9, which isn't a big window of time in my opinion. Um, and you've got reserved seating in the theater if you want it. And then special events at Michael's Club. We got live music from 5:45 till 6:30.
Inside we have
A phone.
your nightstand with a drawer for smaller items. Old school phone, but hey, you don't. Who uses the phone all that much on a
Well, I
cruise
guess you could call your butler from it.
We call your butler.
Now,
With a similar one on this side, which is the same. You have lights underneath from here on each side.
so each side has light switches.
This one has one light switch, that one has two.
And this one actually has two light switches under there. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Okay, that's the little light. Pretty comfy bed by the looks of it, but I will let you know later because I am very susceptible to hard beds.
Your air conditioning. They have made updates, but they still got the old school air. The closets. Two large closets, actually. You open them up, you got your place up here for hanging your items, along with secondary hanging item, umbrella, complimentary umbrella for the ship, hair dryer,
Hair dryer is in the closet today.
I believe a complimentary
I
retreat
don't know
bag.
if that's a retreat bag, but we'll see.
We'll see. Safe, shelving.
Okay,
They
so
got you.
apparently I was wrong. So,
There's also some closets in here.
and
No shelving, but you get more closet space and
you
more
got
hanging
hanging
space.
space.
More hanging space.
And
That's
the
cubby life preservers.
preserver life vests are on the top
Nice
shelf in
big
this.
cool left mirror so you can see your how big you getting on the ship. And the boudoir. Ooh, this is a nice bathroom.
So
It's not Yakut nice, but it's nice.
this is nice.
They still got the marble.
And we got a lot of drawers.
They have their specialty soap and vanity stuff. The Retreat body lotion. We have your
Oh,
shelf
shelving
right
behind the mirror.
behind the mirror.
Okay. So does
So
that mean?
if you were not adventurous enough to try and pull it out, you're like, where's the shelves in here? Because
So
there is nothing to indicate that those are actual shelves.
so let's see. Does it have it on both sides?
Yes, it has
Oh,
it on
it
both sides.
does. Okay, so
So
there's
don't
plenty
be
of storage.
misled. There is it, not only is it a three-way mirror, it's where your shelves are. Ooh, soap. Bigelow soap. We have drawers. They're big enough to fit stuff, I'd say. It's not huge, but what all you're actually putting in? You got four of them.
And you got
Shelf space here.
this trash
Trash.
can.
Decent sized commode. Yep. I say it's pretty fluffy. Not really big fluffy, but you have the shower with glass slash curtain. It's like instead of a door or just a curtain, you got both. You got the glass right here, and then you got the curtain over here. But what I really like is you got these power jets. Yes, I'm going to be using it. Move back. You got the power jets. I got to figure out how to work them. Because I want
And
to have all these babies running.
if you see,
There we go.
jacuzzi tub.
Yes.
So with a suite, you actually get a tub,
The
a
jacuzzi
jacuzzi
tub.
tub.
Or a
So
spa. What do they call it? A spa tub?
spa tub. I don't know.
Hey, it's got a tub with bubbles where
Well,
you ain't got to fart for the bubbles.
I just think it's kind of a strange place to have your towels like inside the bathtub
I think so
versus.
too. It's like, wouldn't they be
Listen,
wet?
why wouldn't you put them on the wall, like either above the toilet or besides
I think it's
the
supposed to be
tub?
like after you get done. It's like after you get done, then you go ahead and go deal with that.
I just think it's a weird place to put
Got
towels.
a nice bowl right here. You got the bowl.
Everything seems to work so far.
Plug in right here for your. Oh, is that? Yep.
It's for your razor.
For your razors or whatever.
So razor plug right there. Okay.
And you come back out. This seems to be a pretty large sized room, man. This is big. If you wanted room, you got room in this room. Hello over there. Hold on, I'll send a message so I can see it. Talk to you over there.
You can actually literally come out your room, and right here is middle atrium.